Hey YouTube, what's up? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Monopoly Go so that you can get free unlimited dice rolls. That's right, unlimited dice rolls on a modded version of Monopoly Go. Continue watching and I'll show you how to get that. So before I show you how to download the modded version of the app, I am just going to show you that this works. So let me go ahead and go into my Monopoly Go and click on that menu. As you can see, I just have 14 dice rolls right now, but watch what happens when I click on the buttons. I went up to 964, so I am good to go playing for quite a while with this. It definitely works. Before we download the app, there's just a few things I need to check in my settings. So I'm gonna go first to battery option in my settings and make sure the low power mode is off. It has to be off or this is not gonna work. The next thing we're gonna do is just in general settings, at the background app refresh, and then you're gonna click this button up here. Just make sure this is on. It can either be on just Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, but this too has to be on or this is not gonna work. My last step is just because I'm an iPhone user. If you don't have an iPhone, you can ignore this part, but we're gonna go into About and just make sure my iOS is up to date to at least 11. I'm at 16.6, which I believe is the latest version, so we are good to go. And I am done for now in settings. Now I'm gonna actually go to the website to download the app. So let me go ahead onto the internet on my Safari. In the URL, I'm just gonna type in yuluhelp.co, yuluhelp.co, which is the website where we'll be downloading that modded app. So it goes ahead and comes up, and then Monopoly Go mod is right on the front page. There's lots of options on here too. Feel free to look around. But then we're gonna go ahead and download the app. There are a few more steps after this, so please don't stop watching. It's not just as easy as downloading this onto your phone. But once we're done with the other steps, we are good to go with all those free dice rolls. Okay, 100%. Once we're at 100, this pop-up comes out. Do press allow. This is where we're gonna actually get or be able to download the app onto our phone. So go ahead and download that. Now it's downloaded and we're good to go in Safari for now. We're gonna go back to settings. I told you there's just a few more steps. And definitely worth it though. This new option should be there in settings just right at the very top. It says profile downloaded. Click on that and the Monopoly Go mod should just go ahead and pop up. And this is just gonna really put it on our phone for us. So just continue these last few steps. Almost there. One more install, just confirm it at the bottom. And we're done. And once we're done, it says done on top. Go ahead and close this. And the Monopoly Go mod will be just right on your home screen, ready for you to use with those free dice rolls. Thank you folks for watching. I hope you have so much fun. Take care.